Modern software development is about transitioning from rigid processes to adaptable methodologies. Today, we will explore this evolution in detail. We will start with an overview of our discussion. First, we will compare plan-driven and incremental development. Then, we will examine how Waterfall evolved into Agile methodologies. Next, we will review the Agile Manifesto's values and principles. Following that, we will dive into the Scrum framework and its components. Finally, we will discuss how development processes adapt to different contexts. Plan-driven approaches, like the Waterfall model, follow sequential phases. They rely on detailed upfront planning and a rigid structure, with limited feedback cycles. In contrast, incremental approaches, such as Agile, are iterative and emphasize adaptive planning. Agile fosters flexibility and frequent feedback for continuous improvement. The Waterfall model divides software development into phases like requirements, design, development, testing, and maintenance. Each phase flows into the next, but this structure often limits flexibility. Arrows connect the stages in a clear, linear path. The shortcomings of Waterfall became evident as software grew more complex. Limited user feedback until late stages, high costs of late-stage changes, and rigid requirements hindered its effectiveness. Long development cycles and changing market needs also contributed to its decline. The Agile Manifesto introduced a new perspective. It values individuals and interactions over processes and tools. It prioritizes working software over comprehensive documentation. Customer collaboration takes precedence over contract negotiation. Agile emphasizes responding to change rather than rigidly following a plan. Key Agile principles include early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Agile teams welcome changing requirements and deliver software frequently. Daily collaboration, motivated individuals, and face-to-face communication are essential. Progress is measured through working software, and simplicity and sustainable development are core principles. Scrum is a popular framework for implementing Agile. It organizes work into cycles called sprints. A product backlog defines priorities, while a sprint backlog outlines tasks for the sprint. Teams deliver increments of working software at the end of each sprint. The process is iterative, with continuous improvement. User stories in Scrum capture requirements in a simple format. For example, as a hotel guest, I want to book a room online so that I can secure my accommodation. This format ensures clarity and aligns development with user needs. Scrum defines 3 key roles. The product owner manages the backlog, sets priorities, and represents stakeholders. The Scrum Master facilitates processes, removes impediments, and coaches the team. The development team is self-organizing, cross-functional, and delivers working increments. Scrum events provide structure and focus. Sprint planning defines the sprint goal and selects work items. Daily Scrums address what was done, what will be done, and any impediments. Sprint reviews showcase the increment and gather feedback. Retrospectives focus on process improvement and team reflection. In summary, software development has shifted from rigid waterfall processes to flexible Agile approaches. Agile values prioritize people, collaboration, and adaptability. Scrum provides a practical framework for implementing these principles. Success depends on choosing the right process for your team and project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on software engineering and technology. See you next time.